everyone, welcome to a new video for Solana price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. On the daily chart, we can see that we are possibly in A, B, and a C zigzag towards the upside, where we are looking for an impulse here for a wave A. Of course, this is coming from the history of other charts, which I added already just as a pass. It's definitely an impulse. And we are looking, of course, for a wave C towards the upside, where we are looking for 1, 2, 3, and 4, and a 5. Still looking, of course, for a wave F5 towards the upside. However, we need to take a closer look here what's going on inside this wave 5. As you can see inside the wave F5, we were counting after bottoming here for your wave F4. We have started a 1, 2 possibly, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Now this wave F5 might have finished a diagonal here as 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. We have hit almost the 0.886, of course, for this diagonal wave 5. Now potentially this wave 5 might not be finished, and potentially, of course, giving us a signal that this might still be a big wave 3 towards the upside. Because if we finish a diagonal here as a wave 3, or anyway as a wave 5, a bearish scenario can unfold here, a massive bearish scenario, which it can be an A, B, and a C, where you have finished your wave C as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as marked here. And therefore, this of course opens for us the question mark if this is a finished ABC. And if that is a finished ABC, and that means of course a very, very bearish scenario, where we are looking before, of course, in this correction to another A, B, and a C in the yellow here. As you can see, of course, it is a finished zigzag, right? A, B, C, and then possibly another A, B, and a C, where of course here you want to see a regular flat finished with another 5 waves toward the downside, and that brings us of course to a finished structure as A, B, and a C. So preferably, as I mentioned the last video for Solana, preferably that we take of course as this high here at 213, because with taking the high here, it's gonna invalidate this diagonal. It's going to invalidate this ending diagonal, which it could be for a wave A, B, and a C. And in case we hit the 1-to-1 fib level taken, of course, from this wave to the base on this one, and then if it gives us a longer wave than wave 5, of course, then definitely this is an invalidated diagonal. And by all means, if we take this high, we can make sure that we are going higher with a higher wave 3. Towards over than $250–300 for Solana. And yeah, in that case, it didn't happen. Of course, in our last video that I made it, we were a little bit closer, but yeah, I was asking, hopefully that it can happen, but it couldn't. And we said, okay, we still have a very small leg towards the upside, but it cannot get it. And this is exactly what happened. And here we go, we start to see some red here. So let's move to the 1 hour chart. But before moving to the 1 hour chart, I would like to check the channels. Where are we in terms of those channels? Are very interesting, okay? Very, very interesting. We are testing our channels again. We are testing our acceleration channel, okay? So here we go, we just tested, and now it pulled back a little bit, but we need a confirmation of what is going on the 1 hour chart. So let's move to the 1 hour chart and see what is what is the things that is going on here. So on the 1 hour chart, probably, okay, here we go. 1 hour, exactly. So we have topped exactly here. Let's turn off the channels. Okay, many things. Let's clean up. Those are the things from the last wave 3 low. Okay, yeah, it's fine. So are we a wave C? Did we top here for a wave C? in a big ABC, or we are looking for continuation. Now, what I know is that was an impulse 1, 2, 3, and then 4 and F5. And the last video was exactly here, and we said we still have one more leg for your wave 5. But yeah, we cannot really reach the 1-to-1 at 213. However, we start to see some red. Now, it's still even not so clear for me, this pattern. I prefer to go to the 15-minute chart to count much better. Yeah, so here we go. What we are looking here, of course, this took the high for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, yeah, 1, 2, 3, even 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I'm gonna count this as wave 1, even if it looks 3 waves. However, okay. So what we are looking here is this is the top. Okay, possibly 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Yes. So this is kind of like impulsive, and this is ABC, and then of course we are looking here to another AB. Okay, perfect. So this might be your wave 2 now, or your wave B, but however, it looks like a wave 2 because it's very deep. So if we take here in impulse wave 2, is it? Oh yeah, it's definitely a wave 2 because it has reached exactly the 0.78, which is a perfect level for a wave 2. And normally if you are zigzag, you wouldn't reach this far. You would reach only the middle and then move down. Yep. So what we are looking after now, this is a wick, but it's not. It looks like, yeah, something scam wick. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for possibly a wave 1. Yeah, it's okay. Let's move to the 5-minute to see what's going on here. Yeah, I cannot count this wick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. So. But it shows some volatility, right? So yeah, definitely this can be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, guys. And then yeah, we are looking probably for another 3 waves down, up, and then moving yeah, towards the downside again. However, if that is a zigzag, it looks like it's the same like Bitcoin, what Bitcoin did now. If that is a 1-to-1 here, oh, it didn't reach even the 1-to-1. Okay. All right. Yeah. So okay, it opens several possibilities. Let's go back to the 15-minute chart. It opens several bearish possibilities. One of them is a 1, 2, 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5 towards the downside. The second one is still 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 contracting diagonal. The third one, it can be of course a 1, 2, and this is your wave 1 for a wave 3. Okay, so we are still we are still almost like very bearish on Solana. We have a bearish signal still, very impulsive, and we did not take the 1-to-1, and this opens the scenario for a contracting diagonal because reaching the 1-to-1 means of course invalidation of contracting diagonal, but in this case scenario it is still very possible. So to know if we have bottomed or not, which I doubt it, of course, because yeah, we need some real correction here. Wave 2, in case we are in a wave 2 here as an impulse, we need to reach again, right, the perfect FEB level. Let's keep the 886. If we reach these levels again without touching the 886, yeah, therefore, of course, continuation towards the downside. And of course, we need to see some reversal, right? If we pass through the 886, therefore, invalidation for any bearish scenario, okay? Again, so this is your confirmation. The top of this is your bearish scenario invalidation, okay? So yeah, this is your invalidation here. So if you are bearish, and definitely this is kind of your stop loss, guys. Okay, so Trade safe, of course, and yeah, see you in the next one. Thank you for your likes and your comments. Bye bye.